So today I got something really exciting for you. Well, that I think is pretty cool. Betaflight now has connectivity availability for Bluetooth devices on your phone. Essentially, you just go and load the apps.betaflight.com app, and in here you can see there's Bluetooth connectivity. I can click on that and then look and see and pair my SpeedyBee flight controller, which has Bluetooth on it, hit pair, and then connect to it. So let's go over that and how to use it, how to set it up, and how it works. So it's pretty straightforward. The first thing you want to do is go to apps.betaflight.com on Google on your Android device. I'm not sure if it works on Apple as well, but on Android devices that you can load Chrome, then it's going to work. From there, you can actually install the app if you'd like, but the other thing you can do is just use it straight from this site. From here, you're going to go hit the drop down, the little arrow there that you see. And then in there, you're gonna go ahead and select the drop-down devices that you can pick from. Now, my experience, the USB connectivity, so if you take your flight controller and connect it to USB to your Android device, that doesn't work yet. I conferred a little bit with one of the developers. I don't think that's available yet, but the Bluetooth connectivity does work. So you can see if I then go ahead and click Bluetooth devices, that since my phone has Bluetooth, obviously you have to have Bluetooth enabled on your phone, so it's searching for it. And your flight controller needs to be powered up as well. Here I just have my flight controller plugged into USB, but you could power it in the field with a battery, just as long as this thing's powered up somehow. So you can see on my SpeedyBee, you have to, of course, have a flight controller with Bluetooth connectivity. So I can click my SpeedyBee here, hit pair. Now you don't do that outside of the app itself. You do it right in the app. Don't be like pairing it with your Bluetooth settings in your phone. You just pair it right here and there. And then you just go ahead and hit connect, and it's going to connect to it through the app. And you can see here, as I move this quad up and down, you can see it's moving right here. And in here now I have all the different things I can go to. I can go to the CLI, it's the full Betaflight app. If you do decide, a prompt will come up to say that, hey, you can install this app. If you do decide to do that, you can see I've done that right here. So I can just launch the Betaflight app right from my phone. I believe this will, at least on Chrome on a computer, it will prompt you when it needs to be updated. I would think it does it here. Mileage may vary there. You can always just go back to the apps.betaflight.com and it should keep things updated that way, or to update this app just like it does on Google Chrome. Normally on a computer, it should do the same thing here on an Android device. Well, that's it. Sweet and simple. If you want to learn more about the new features in Betaflight, check out this video up here in the upper right. See you there.